Ready to navigate the fastest route to crypto gains on the Solana blockchain? Let's dive straight into Jupiter Exchange, your one-stop shop for efficient token swaps on Solana. First, you'll need a Solana wallet like Phantom or Solflor. Make sure you have it installed and funded with some Sol for transaction fees. Head over to Jupag in your browser and click Connect Wallet. Select your wallet from the list and approve the connection request. Now, you'll see the main swap interface. Choose the token you want to exchange from the Pay dropdown, let's say Sol. Then, select the token you want to receive in the Receive dropdown, maybe USDC. Enter the amount of Sol you want to swap. Jupiter will automatically calculate the estimated amount of USDC you'll receive, factoring in the best available rates across different Solana decentralized exchanges. Pay close attention to the slippage settings, which is the acceptable difference between the expected price and the executed price. A lower slippage tolerance means your transaction is less likely to go through if the price changes significantly, but you'll avoid unexpected price fluctuations. Once you are satisfied, click the swap button. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the details carefully, including the network fee, and approve the transaction. Congratulations! Your tokens have been successfully swapped. You can view the transaction details on Solscan using the link provided. Jupiter Exchange also boasts advanced features like limit orders, DCA, and bridge aggregation. But we'll save those for another video. Happy swapping and see you in the next one.